This is the unboxing of carbon monoxide alarm, power for 5 years. So you basically have this and it will be powered for 5 years, and ideal for home or holiday, so you can send it into holiday. Yes, very good. Hold camera, thank you. So this is box. Can you film the whole box? Thank you. So this is box. Don't film the laptop, just the box. Hold it upwards, thank you. Not under the table, just the table. So this is whole box with carbon monoxide in. Can you bring knife? I hold the camera. Bring knife, thank you. So as you can see, it says the and the other thing. Can you hold camera? Thank you. I have knife. We open the seal with the knife. I have knife right here, and we can then open seal. We break seal right here. We cut seal. I think I cut whole box. Putting knife away. Yes. Knife, film box, thank you. So it's a normal box. We open the box. Here it is, and inside the box we have miraculous device alarm. Yes, the box has another plastic inside, useless plastic. Back of the box, we put plastic and box away. Box is away, and now film carbon monoxide alarm system. And this is the carbon monoxide. It even comes with a book. If you want to read, you can read battery powered carbon monoxide alarm. Very good. Yes, it has book. So this pull battery, if you pull this, it will activate and last for 5 years. Let's pull. Light went on. And test and push. Putain de merde! It is working. Very good. Okay. Putain! How the fuck? Okay. Don't be scared. It will make noise. Lot of noise. Holy motherfucker. Okay. Carbon monoxide. Goodbye.